Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video I will tell how to make money as a teenager. So let's start the video. Guys, best way for teenager to make money. First, take surveys. Will you want to get rich? Answering questions for marketers via surveys. The money can add up. Second, complete in esports. Third, launch a Twitch stream or YouTube channel. 4. Build and sell in-game assets. 5. Start a vlog. 6. Earn cashback. 7. Become a virtual assistant at tutor student. People also ask, how can I earn money as a teenager? In this section we will take a closer look at the many ways you can earn money, sometimes without even leaving your room. First, selling clothes online as a teenager. Second, selling arts and craft online. Third, making money from online surveys. 4. Making money gaming. 5. Creating content for cash. How can 14 make money fast? How can a 14 make money fast? How to make money as a teenager? How to make money as a teenager? First, babysitting. Minors can babysit other children, but some states have age registration. Second, car care, pumping gas, dispensing oil, and washing and hand polishing a car are rules that teens can take. Third, food service. 4. Internships. 5. Knowledge work. 6. Law, care and other errands. 7. Lifeguard. 8. Retail. How to get rich as a teenager? How do I become a teenager millionaire? First, start early. The earlier you start, the better your chances of becoming a millionaire at a young age. Second, to set clear goals. Third, development a marketable skill. 4. Build a strong work. 5. Find a mentor. 6. 7. Invest wisely. 7. Avoid debt. 8. Start a business. How to get to $50 fast as a kid? First, 25 plus legal options for making money as kids. So how do you make money as a kid? Second, law mowing, cutting the grass is an excellent way for kids to make money. Third, yard work. Do not stop with moving the lawn. 4. Lemonade stand. 5. Babysitting. 6. Pet sitting and walking. 7. Washing cars and 8. Touring. Who is the youngest billionaire? Livia Bigot. Sylvain Devil Vecchino. Sylvain was at one time the world's youngest billionaire at the age of 18, but he was since aged out of that title, which is now held by Livia Bogota. How to be a billionaire? Best tips for becoming a billionaire. First, budget wisely and keep your finance a priority. Second, put a set amount from each paycheck into a savings account. Third, start an individual retirement account IRA that will grow over time. 4. Pay off your credit card debit to avoid flying interest. 5. Buy and sell stocks on the stock market. How to be a millionaire? How to get rich? First, start saving early. Second, avoid unnecessary spending and debt. Third, save 15% or more of every paycheck. 4. Increase the money that you earn. 5. Resist the desire to spend more as you make more money. 6. Work with a financial professional with the experts and experience to keep you on track. Can I make $100 a day? How to make $100 a day without a job? First, launch an e-commerce store. Second, become a freelancer. Third, create and sell online courses. 4. Become an influencer. 5. Become an Uber Lyft driver. 6. Online tutoring. 7. Become an Airbnb host. 8. Pet sitting. How to make money without a job? Here are some of the ways you can make more money outside of traditional employment. First, launch an e-commerce store. Second, sell stuff you already own. Third, start a blog. Four, pick up odd jobs. Five, produce online courses. Six, sell print on demand products. Seven, write an ebook. Eight, rent out on space. Who is the richest 23-year-old? Facebook CEO Rakesh uh, racks up rich title at age 23, youngest self-made billionaire, makes it on Forbes mega rich list. Billionaires are getting younger. Forbes magazine released its list of the world's mega rich last week, and Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg became the youngest ever self-made billionaire. How to be a trillion. Once you have successful business model, scale it up aggressively, expand into new markets, leverage technology, and continuously innovate to stay ahead of the competition. Think long term and be patient. Building best wealth take time, perseverance, and resilience in the face of challenges and setbacks. How to become a tycoon? How do I become a tycoon? Businesses tycoons tend to have a strong organizational and leadership skill, as well as the ability to make hard decisions and is sacrifice. Business leader who want to reach tycoon status will need to put in lots of late nights and weeknights to build their businesses with no certainty of success. How to become ultra rich? First, invest. The goal of investing is to buy assets that may provide financial growth over time. To take advantage of compound interest, third, create a plan and follow it. Four, start a business. Five, cut spending. Six, try taxing yourself. Seven, consider additional education. Eight, take calculated risks. How to be rich fast? How to get rich at tips for building wealth that lasts. First, make monthly budget. Maybe you think budgets are for broke people. Second, increase your income. Third, cut your expenses. Four, dict your debits. Five, seven, emergency fund. Six, follow the baby steps. Seven, starting investing. Eight, do not fall for trendy scams. How to become rich in 2024? 7 ways to start building wealth like the rich in 2024. First, diversify investment. Second, focus and growth over gains. Third, tax advantage accounts. Fourth, try house hacking. Five, invest in CDS and money market funds. Six, start early. Seven, stay the course. How to earn extra income? More way to earn extra income easily. First, data entry jobs. Another option to earn extra income from home in through data entry jobs. Second is starting a podcast. Third, buy and sell domains. Fourth, take online survey. Five, earn from social media. Six, video editing. Seven, remote customer support agents. Eight, online technical support. Why am I not able to earn money? Human human physiology makes it hard to make money. They are rooted in physiological and behavioral differences such as lack of work ethic, lack of faith, lack of discipline, overspending, excessively risk taking in investments, greed, pride, and an unstable desire to impress others. How to become wealthy? Here are seven proven steps to get your wealthy in 5 years. First, build your financial literary skills. Second, take control of your finance. Third, get in the wealthy mindset. Four, create a budget and life within your means. Five, save to invest. Six, create multiple income source. Seven, surround yourself with other wealthy people. How to use AI to make money. 5 ways to make money online with AI in 2024. First, create an AI chatbot. Second, use AI for course creation. Third, develop your own AI product for AI consulting like use AI on Canva.